Tired of fad diets? Today we're reviewing FitPill Keto, a popular weight loss supplement. Is it legit or just another scam? Let's dive in. FitPill Keto claims to boost ketosis, helping your body burn fat by using BHB ketones for energy. Some users report increased energy and reduced appetite, but results vary widely. The ingredients are transparent, yet the $69 price tag per bottle feels steep. While there are positive testimonials, many experts remain skeptical due to exaggerated promises and a lack of credible clinical studies proving its long-term benefits. Red flags include overhyped marketing and limited evidence supporting its effectiveness. For some, it might work as a short-term solution, but it's no magic pill. Always consult your doctor before trying supplements like this one. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on FitPill Keto below.